Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by targeting the layer of tan on the surface. First, remove any makeup and dry off so oil can sit on skin. Apply 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil to stained areas and massage in circular motions for several minutes to dissolve color. Once done, step into a lukewarm shower and use a textured mitt or gentle body scrub. Scrub with moderate pressure to lift pigment without irritating. Rinse thoroughly and pat skin. You should see immediate lightening where you worked. Once surface pigment is reduced, focus on the stubborn mid-layers. You should exfoliate again using a sugar scrub or an exfoliating glove for 2 to 3 minutes per area, rinsing between passes. If stains persist, make a paste of baking soda and water or use a glycolic or lactic acid body wash. Apply briefly and rinse. These help dissolve residual dye. If hair traps pigment, carefully shave wet skin or use a safe depilatory. Doing so opens follicles and removes trapped color. Monitor skin for sensitivity throughout. You finish by calming and restoring skin barrier function. Pat dry and immediately apply a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer to replenish lipids. This reduces redness and flaking. Over the next few days, use a light vitamin C or niacinamide product to help even tone and fade residual color safely. If small orange patches persist, repeat the oil plus exfoliation cycle once more, and spot treat with a color-correcting bleach pen only if your skin is healthy. If irritation appears, stop and consult a dermatologist. That prevents long-term damage.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.